Hi, I'm Sarah with Crafty Creatures, and today we'll be making the star wrap circles from your Keep 'em Busy box. For this craft, we will need our cardboard circle base and 2 to 3 colors of string. From home, let's find a pencil and eraser, some scissors, and some tape. Once we have all of our supplies, let's get started. First, we need to cut our circle out of the cardboard provided. Do your best to cut very neatly, and if you are struggling, maybe ask your grown-up for help. Take your circle and cut short slits equal distance apart. You can mark these out with a pencil first if you want. You can do anywhere between 6 to 10 slits as long as it's an even number. Next, tape one end of your first color of string to the back of your circle. Start wrapping it from slit to slit, and you can make cool patterns by leaving gaps, counting out the numbers, or choosing different slits to go to, and you're just going to wrap it and experiment. And if you don't like the shape or pattern you're making, you can always remove the string and try again. If you want to switch to a new color, pull the end you're working with through a slit and around to the back and tape down, cutting it off the ball if you need to. Tape the new end of string down and keep wrapping. Now this next step is optional. Once you've finished and you're perfectly happy with your pattern, you can make it into a hanger. So you want to cut yourself off a bit of string and then poke a hole in the top of the cardboard where there isn't a slit and thread the hanger string through it. And then tie the ends together and you'll be able to hang it. Thanks for crafting with me today. I'll see you eager beavers next time for a new craft. Goodbye!